Now let's see how to create and manipulate a corridor. We select Create Corridor tool and it asks us to pick a template. Templates in OpenRail Designer are ITL based. If you have older libraries, you can also use these in OpenRail Designer. OpenRail Designer templates are quite flexible. You can design very complex templates, very complex end conditions, even circular elements. In here, we select a single track template, and as you can see in 2D and 3D models, the track is created. Here we have a large cut section. So in this region, we will change our template to a tunnel template. You can create tunnel templates also by importing from graphics. We select the start of the tunnel and end of the tunnel, and you can see that the tunnel is created. When we look at this region here, we see that we have a cut area and we want to use a retaining wall in this region. We'll apply a concrete retaining wall. This time we don't change the whole template, but instead only change the end condition. We open the template, remove the cut section, and instead place a retaining wall. You can see that the change is automatically applied to the model. With modeling tools, you can create quite complex designs, as you can see in here, this yard area, with using parametric objects and point controls. You can easily design very complex areas. We can also use cross-sections, dynamic cross-sections, to inspect our model. We see how wall is applied. We can see how the tunnel is created, or we can take a look at our yard area. With using rail and sleeper tools, you can add rail and sleepers to your model. We first create the sleepers. The sleepers will automatically follow the cant definition, and also on a turnout location, long sleeper sets will automatically apply. Here we created the sleepers. And then we use our rail tool, select the profile that we want to use. If we have, for example, track widening tables, we can also use these in here. And then select the stations that we want to use, and rails are also created. One of the most powerful functions in OpenRail Designer is design intent. We have seen that in geometry, but design intent is not only for geometry. Let's suppose that in this siding, we decided to change the start turnout location. And I change it in the geometry, and you can see that the model is automatically updated to reflect this change. Or let's suppose that in here, I want to change the offset value that we have for this additional track and change it from 20 meters to 30 meters. You can see that the model is automatically updated, and not only this geometry is changed, but when we look at the turnouts and connections, they are also automatically updated to fit the new geometry.